Welcome everyone to the Zilliqa and Scilla course. In this video, we'll look at the course overview. The course is divided into three parts. First, we'll look at the introductory part, which includes this video in which we'll look at the overall structure of the course and some useful developer resources. And then we'll have an introduction to Zilliqa and Scilla. For the second part, we'll look at the Scilla smart contract programming language, and we'll look at some important concepts related to Scilla, and we'll write two sample contracts, a Hello World contract and a crowdfunding contract, and we'll also look at Scilla tips and tricks. For the third part of the course, we'll look at the JavaScript aspect of things. So when you're building a dApp, you obviously need to write the smart contract, but you also need to build the front end that will interact with that smart contract. We'll look at Zilliqa.js, which is a JavaScript library that allows you to interact with the Zilliqa blockchain. And we'll build a sample ZRC2 wallet that allows a person to send and receive ZRC2 tokens, which are similar to ERC20 tokens that are found on Ethereum. So this is the overall course structure. Now we look at some developer resources that you will need when building on Zilliqa. If you're a developer and you're just getting started, I highly recommend you to join our developer groups on Telegram and Discord. I'll link those down below in this video so you can join those groups easily. Coming to educational resources, our developer portal has all the information you need to develop on Zilliqa and get started with blockchain development. So you'll find details about what is blockchain, what are transactions, what is gas, as well as an overview on Zilliqa architecture and Zilliqa ecosystem in this developer portal. The URL for the developer portal is dev.zilliqa.com, and the developer portal has multiple sections depending on your use case. If you're a developer, you would probably go into basics, developers, and API section. We look at these again in the future videos. If you want to learn Scilla in an interactive environment, you can also look at learnscilla.com, which is an interactive tutorial that you can follow along, and you can do some exercises and check your answers on those exercises. And it's a fun way to learn Scilla as well. But if you're doing this course, you'll be in a position to actually start writing contracts yourselves. Coming to documentation, Scilla's complete documentation can be found at scilla.readthedocs.io, and this portal has all the information that you need for Scilla. This includes all the libraries, all the data types, some tips and tricks, examples, and so on and so forth. So if you are building contracts and you ever face any difficulty or you don't understand any syntax in a sample contract, highly recommend to go to this portal and search for the topic that you want to understand, and you'll find this in the portal and you can look at that relevant documentation. Also, if you have some questions related to how Zilliqa sharding works or how the consensus in Zilliqa works and some core blockchain related FAQs, you can find this in this technical FAQ document, which I'll link down again, and most of your questions would be answered in this document itself. Now coming to developer toolkits, the most frequently used developer toolkit that you'll use is the Scilla IDE, which is available at ide.zilliqa.com. And using this IDE, you can check for any errors in your contracts, and you can actually deploy your contracts as well. You can directly connect a browser extension. So here, I'll just connect. I have already connected my ZilPay wallet, which is a browser extension, and you can deploy contracts directly using this browser extension. So here if I just use the initialization parameters, say I specify the owner and I click on deploy contract, and I'll just be able to deploy the contract directly using this ZilPay extension. Now when you come to the IDE for the first time, you'll be given an option to select an account, and I recommend you to import an account using ZilPay. So you can click on ZilPay here and connect, and you'll be connected to the ZilPay wallet, and then you can straight away start deploying contracts and sending test transactions using ZilPay. It's a very smooth developer experience. When you want to deploy contracts or you want to do some test transactions with the contract, you would need to have some testnet ZIL, and for that you can go to this Faucet website and enter your address, and you'll be able to get those testnet ZILs. Coming to the next developer toolkit, you'll use Zilliqa JavaScript library, which is Zilliqa.js, and the installation steps for Zilliqa.js are pretty straightforward. Just need to follow these steps and you'll be able to integrate this in your project, and we look at this again in the JavaScript part of the course. The next developer toolkit we are looking at is the ZilPay wallet, which is the browser extension for Zilliqa blockchain. It is very similar to the MetaMask extension, and as we have seen already, you can directly connect this wallet in Neo7 IDE, and you can use it to interact with other dApps as well. And even when you are interacting with your own dApp, you can directly use ZilPay to connect your account to your dApp. You will need a block explorer to look for blockchain transactions, and we have two block explorers for Zilliqa blockchain. One is DevX, another one is ViewBlock. DevX is more of a developer focused block explorer, and it's integrated directly into the Neo7 IDE. And this allows you to look at contract events, messages, and so on and so forth. And you'll use this multiple times when you're deploying your contract and even when you're looking for transactions on the blockchain. This is how the ViewBlock Explorer looks. So you go to the Zilliqa section and you have an option to select for mainnet and testnet. So you can go for testnet if you're just developing your dApp on the testnet, and then search for your transaction address or whatever you want to search for. So this completes our course overview and walkthrough the developer toolkits. I highly recommend you to join our groups so that you can ask your questions and stay updated of what's happening. And you can also look at some bounties by going to gitcoin.co/Zilliqa. Zilliqa is directly integrated into Gitcoin, and you can look for exciting projects that you can work on as you are learning Scilla and getting started with building on Zilliqa. You can do some bounties and get paid. I'm super excited to have you all, and I can't wait to teach more about developing on Zilliqa and Scilla. See you soon.